So now we're going to learn the bridge. The bridge is 8 bars long. There's going to be 2 parts to learn. We'll start with just the basic chords. This is what Dave Kushner plays. All of these will be power chords. We'll start off with B. That'll be for 1 measure, followed by G for 1 measure. Repeat those 2 measures, B, G. Now we're going to play B for 1 measure, A for 1 measure. And the bridge ends with 2 measures of G. So let's play these chords for the bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now Slash is playing a clean guitar part with some picking on top of those basic power chords. So let me play through his part and then we'll break it down. Okay, so let's start with the first measure where we're playing over the B chord. We're going to outline B minor, starting off 4th fret on the G string, followed by 3rd fret on the B string, back to 4 on the G, high E string open, 3 on the B, 4 on the G, back to 3 on the B. So far we've done this. Now we repeat that. So the first measure goes like this. Second measure, where we're outlining a G chord, sounds like this. So I'm just forming a G major triad, 5D, 4G, 3 on the B string. Starting off, we're going to pick 5D, 4G, 3B, 4 on the G, high E string open, 3 on the B, 4G, 3 on the B. And then those 8 notes are repeated. So here's the measure of G. And we're going to play those 2 measures 2 times. So here's the first 4 measures. The 5th measure is the same as the first measure. At this point, the song moves to an A chord, so we're going to outline an A shape, and here's our next measure. Second fret G, 2nd fret B, 2nd fret G string, 3 to 2 on the B string, 2 on the G, open E. So far we've done this. Followed by open A, 2 on the G, 2 on the B, 2 on the G string, B string 3 to 2, 2 to the open G string. Okay, so let's put that together. Here's the measure of A. Now the final 2 bars of G, here's what the first measure sounds like. Starting off on the B string, 1st fret, high E string open, B string open. Now we're going to play the open D string, 1st fret B string. So far we've done this. High E string open, B string open, 3rd fret B string, open G, followed by the 1st fret to the open B string, open G string. So here's the measure for the G chord. And we're going to repeat that for the next measure where it's also played over a G chord. So let's piece all that together now. Here's the bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the bridge.